Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset on your OnePlus Nord N10 5G, but you do not have the password. We can actually bypass that password and get it off the phone completely. However, it's going to wipe everything else off the phone. But if you're okay with doing that, it's pretty easy to do. What we're going to do is we're going to start by what we see here. We're going to have the phone off and we're going to turn it on by pressing and holding the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. And we're just going to keep holding it until the logo appears like that. As here, and then once that happens, we're going to let go. And what's going to happen then is it's going to come up and it's going to ask us for our password. But if we don't have your password, you can just go down to the bottom here. You're going to toggle down to the bottom here and click Forgot Password. And once you click Forgot Password, it's going to take you to a menu where it's going to propose to you, okay, we can wipe this phone. It will remove the password, but it will wipe everything else off of it. And you'll just confirm that, and then it will wipe everything and it will restart the phone. And while you're waiting for the phone to restart, if you're interested in getting a credit card, Chase will give you $200 for free just for signing up for one of their credit cards. If you're interested, there's a link in the description. And anyways, the phone will start back up like it did when it came out of the box.